Hi friends, welcome to another session of Wonderware InTouch HMI designing. In this project, we will discuss how to develop multiple window screen using single HMI design. So something we're gonna do something like this, and in this tutorial, we will display two windows in one single HMI, and we will access and control all these two window using two or three different users and user level. So for that we need to create two window, and we done with security part, so we will continue from that window only. So let's start with our tutorial. So this is what we done in last tutorial. And so to create new window, select window, right click on that and add new window. Define any name to this window. Here I'm defining control panel and select OK. Now I need to add all this thing. So here I need 4 buttons and 3 meters. So let's implement all of this into this window. Adjust the size of button and then duplicate all 3 buttons from this button. Change the button names as per the tutorial. So let me do little bit simplified version so we can understand in more detail. Okay, so here I need to put level 1000. Same with this, level 2000, control, and same with this. Level 3000, control. And for this, this is nothing but for startup. So any one of these three user want to exit or want to log off, or any new user want to log in, then they can press this button and go to the main window. Okay, so now we need 3 meters, so we will bring all 3 meters from wizards. So let's go back to our normal view, and here we have wizards. So click on wizards, meter. We need a speedometer, and we need thermometer, and we also need panel meter. This is just a different type of meters. The functionality of all these meter remains same, just it look wise and size wise it's different. So let's adjust all these wizards so HMI will look something like professional. So let's uh, Okay, let's program this window. So to program first, we uh, we need to program this window first. So when user 1 or 2 or 3 enter their username and password, and then this button is automatically appear on screen, and that's what we did in last tutorial or last project. So the next step is to uh, create a program for this button. So let's double click on this, and in visibility, last time we put only for user 3, and now we are using this expression to control from user 1, 2 and 3. So this is nothing but access level 3000 or 2000 or 1000. You can put this in any order, first 1000, 2000, 3000. It doesn't make any difference because it's separated with or command. So this is what you need to type in expression. Okay, then when I press this button, that means when I click on this, my window will switch to the control panel window which we created previously. So double click on this button, select show window, and select control panel. Instead of main, you need to select control panel, and then press OK, and we done with this screen. So let's program this window. For startup, when I click startup, my main window should appear on my screen. So select main and OK. So we're done with this button too. So now we need to program only these three buttons. So in this, for this button is available only for user 1, that means only for access level 1000. So let's program this button first. Sorry, this button is available for all three user. So we need to program this button in such a way that all three user 1, 2 and 3 can operate this button with access level of 1000, 2000 and 3000. So double click on this button. In we will not hide or not display this button, but we will simply enable or disable using this command. And instead of 3000, it's 1000. So user level sorry, access level is greater than or equal to 1000. That means if user 1, 2 or 3 enters into the control panel window, then they can access this button, and so on. So for this button, the expression is something like this, and select OK. For this, disable, instead of 1000, put 2000. So with access level of 1000, user 1 cannot access this button, and for this same, but 3000 instead of 2000. So only user 1 can control this, user 2 can control this button and this button too, and user 3 can access all three buttons. So let's run this program and see what's the output. Select OK, ignore once, and select OK one more time. So right now it's all these three buttons are disabled. So go to startup. In username, enter user 1. Sorry, I think U is capital. User 1, hit enter the password, which is 1234, hit enter. Now this button is displayed. This is the output of our third project. So when I click this button, window is changed, my window is changed, and Only this button is accessible for the user because we program this button for user 1, 2 and 3. So we are in user 1, and that's why this button is enabled and all other two buttons are disabled. So go to startup. Instead of user 1, just enter user 2, hit enter, enter the password, hit enter, and go to the control panel window. Because this button is not invisible because we didn't log off yet, that's why. So this button is available, so just click this button, and now only these two buttons are enabled for user 2. Same way we can log off and then go to the user 3, hit enter, enter the password, hit enter, and select control panel window, and now these all three buttons are available for user to access because user 3 enter his or her password and username. So that's it, we done with our for tutorial. And if you have any doubts or any queries regarding this video or any previous video, you can ask me anytime or you can comment on this video. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope this video series is helping you in your ISA course. Thank you.